So here is the problem. A triangle, and there is no 90 degree. There is no 90 degree within the triangle, and there are three sides: AC 7x, BC 3x plus 10, and AB x plus 2 centimeter. And the triangle have got two angle actually defined. One is theta that we have to calculate later on at question number B. But question number A have got two parts. One is A, another one is, Roman 1 and Roman 2. First one, we have to prove this equation from the triangle. And we know that the triangle having got 90 degree, this side can be calculated. Say, example, this is B, this is A, and this is C sides. So if we would like to calculate the side of A is equals to, A square is equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC and cos of angle A. By using this equation, we actually have to prove this equation. Let's try now, right? So we have the value instead A is 3x plus 10. So let's solve the problem. A of 1. So 3x plus 10 whole square equals to B defined 7x whole square. C is equals to x plus 2 whole square minus x 2 x plus 2 7x, and cos the value of A is 60. So let's write down here 60, and the value of cos 60 is half. So this one and these two will be cancelled out. Now very simple, straightforward equation for A plus B whole square. So this will be 9x square plus 60x and then 100, this will be equal, and then 49 x square plus x square plus 4x plus 4 and minus 7x square, and 7 plus minus it will be minus, and this is 14x. So it will be 49x square plus x square minus 7x square, and this 9x square, and here minus 60x minus 14x plus 4x and minus 100, and it will be 4 is equals to 0. Now let's simplify here. It will become 34 x square minus 70x and minus 96 is equals to 0. Now we have to middle term this term, so we could write down, let's simplify this one first. Let's divide by 2 whole equation, then it will become 17x square or 35x, and this will be 48 is equals to 0. Now let's do the middle term. So this will be 17x square minus 51x plus 16x minus 48 is equals to 0. There will be a question how it is 51 and 16x from 35. So the very basic theory of middle term is you have to multiply this 17 and 48. So it will become 816. So if you divide 17, it will become 48, of course. Then you have to divide by 2. Then it will be 12, 24. Then 2, then again 12, then 2, then 6, and then again 2. It means this is 3. So if you multiply with 17 times 3, then it's become 51x. And if you multiply this 4 times 2, it become 16. So what we have to make from this two term, obviously 35. So as before 35 is minus, so the larger value or bigger value is 51, so it should be minus and it should be plus, right? So if you multiply this two term, it become 816 x square, which is similar to 17x square times 48. And obviously this is positive and this is negative, so it will be actually negative uh, 816 x square. And of course if we multiply this 2, also become minus 816 x square. And the subtraction from or addition minus 51x plus 16x, it will become 35. Anyways, so 17x, actually it will be x, and this is 3, and this is 16, so it will be x minus 3 equals to 0. So there will be two factor, one is x minus 3, another one is 17x plus 16 is equals to 0. So either x minus 3 is equals to 0 or 17x plus 16 is equals to 0. So x is equals to, we could write down here, minus 16 by 17. So as it is length, so it is not possible because the length always in positive. So x is equals to 3, right? So the very first question, that is, we have to prove this equation from the triangulus value. So we already have proven that 17x square minus 35x minus 48. So this is proven for the very first part. Now we have to find the value of x. We also have find the value of x is equals to 3. So number A have done, and this question might be provided 3 or 4 marks or points. Anyways, now we have to solve this problem of number B, that is find the value of theta. Indeed, we have to understand the triangle. So Number B, what we have to determine the value of this theta. So we have a theory when the triangle haven't got 90-degree, that is the side AB over sine C and BC over sine A, right? And indeed, we have to have the side AB. So AB, we don't have direct value, and as we have the value of x is equals to 3, so we could write down here AB is equals to 5 unit or centimeter, and BC is 3x, so 5 times 3 is 15. Pardon, this will be 9 actually, because 3 times 3 is 9 and this is 10, so it will be 19, right? So let's plug in all this value. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate the value of C. Instead of C, we could write down here theta. So let's write down sine theta is equals to sine A and AB by BC. Let's plug in the value. So sine A is 60, right? So the value will be root 3 by 2, and the value of AB is 5, and this will be 19, right? So what will be the value of theta? So theta is equals to sine inverse 5 root 3 over 38 is equals to 13.17 degree. So this is the value for